So today I'm gonna go and shop in Digital Mall with Malcolm because he said he got too much money to spend. He don't spend right, later he itchy. Your wallet pain right? So we're gonna go and buy some today. Seems that they have rolled out the red carpet, the red tablecloth to invite us. This our boy who never grow man into man one because he's too young already every day.
Walao eh.
Cannot grow old one. This one our boy.
Walao eh.
If you guys come to Digital Mall C-Zone, you can find him and say that I send you to kacau him one so that he give you discount like that. Understand, right? So today we're gonna buy some about formal. 冇晒咗啊
Limited 啊得
？Limited 啊
？Limited 冇實，
有幾張？
一張都冇而家。
笑死 damn fast 啊 ！Hey, you all You all Huh? You all damn rich, right? Huh? First batch rich. Then you finish already. Then I buy what? I buy what? You tell me. Better sell back to me. So now we are going to go into PC Image and see if they got stock or not. Better have, I tell you. No stock. Oh no. Tomorrow maybe got stock. Tomorrow may never come. So we go to find another shop. Let's go. Now let's go and see my com got or not. 我放工嚟買，全部冇貨到嚟。boss say no stock 啊，好咧，慘咯，再睇下。每間鋪都冇貨，好少係咪 ？Let's go. Tell them again. You want to use what for 3080?
OLED TV, C9.
You see that? This kind of people. Monitor cannot use one. Must use TV. Huh?
TV got already.
Got already the TV. See, monitor cannot use one. Must use TV one. Sometimes it's not cheap TV. It's C9. Wait, Thunder Match. 3090 was stock. 3080. No stock. Ayo, sorry I said 3090 because I'm actually getting a 3090, so.
You box one lah.
Sorry say wrong. Here also don't have Okay never mind, Malcolm can at least shop for some keyboard I guess, if don't have. Bring my top friend come and shop. We are looking for 3080. Every shop also don't have. He just bang only. See, you want to see keyboard or not? Got Leopold and stuff like that.
See the Leopold.
Where's it? We shop other stuff since don't have graphic card. You see the Leopold? Quite cool I mean it's like, sorry it's like my own shop like that, but the boss very nice to me, so I'm gonna show my friend. See?
Oh, like the old IBMs
Right?
Can.
Nice, right? Yeah, I think got two more shops. We need to check, see if we can find the 3080. If don't have, I need to go and write email and complain.
Okay, thank you.
Bro, RTX 3080有貨。還沒有得啊？哎呦 ，OK，跟住俾先。
Rumor say tomorrow but not sure.
Can pre-order or not?
Cannot. That's the issue.
Walao. Got money cannot buy Here before not, bro. Got money cannot buy So you all, if you can get stock better chiong You don't chiong gone already. You become second. They wait 2 weeks. People brag until your face a certain rate already. Only you get faster. So we are back in C-Zone because we went throughout the whole Digital Mall trying to find the RTX 3080, but apparently no stock everywhere. But you know what Malcolm say that today he don't spend money cannot. So we are gonna buy a new PSU for his PC that we built previously to upgrade so that he can stuff the beast of a RTX 3080 inside. Okay, steady let's go. Okay, so we got 4 different PSUs here. There's at 750 watts and at least 80 plus go and above for Malcolm to have a look, see which one you prefer to buy to upgrade your PC. So you choose
The one that's not the ROG one with the longest warranty settle already
Which one is the longest warranty? Okay.
Non-ROG one
Jerry 邊個會比較 long warranty 啲？邊隻？ 全部都係10年啊
10年呢隻應該係5年咧。
？5年，10年啊？
呢隻
5年10啊。
攞呢個，攞呢個。
N60 哦。
咁都我 one shot 啦，我知道。冚得你咁
You serious not? You really sponsoring 啊？For workstation？
我先冚啦，我 graphics card 啦。
哇
我呢個
！Okay. He said he want to sponsor workstation because he saw our editor edit until very slow. He said beta already. For the future video where we build the workstation for our new editor, stay tuned to our platform. We're gonna do something very fun. I'm not gonna say what. I spoil you now, later you. So stay tuned, guys. So as you guys can see, we failed to find a 3080 in the whole mall. Malcolm is not very happy because he got money to spend, don't know where to spend. So he say he's gonna upgrade his PSU first and wait. And apparently he's gonna sponsor us another workstation so that we can work faster and make more content for him to see all. So that's the case. We're gonna go back and settle this, and then we hope to see more cuts in the market, so more bangsawan like Malcolm get to buy and upgrade their PC, and then everybody can be bangsawan together. That's your code, you know.
Yeah.
They put your code there, you know, very big, you know, the day in the video. Yeah. So let's say it together. Let's all be bangsawans together. So this video is a bit different. We did a vlog, so if you guys thought this is awesome, leave a comment down below, give us a like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, follow us on Facebook, and then if you want to see any more things like this, please leave more comments, share it, let us know, and I'll see you in the next one.